For this spell, you are going to need a plate, red candle or pink candle. The meaning are the same for passion, love, romance, so you can use any of them. A toothpick, so you can carve a name into the candle. Then take your favorite perfume. I'll put it here. Some cinnamon. If you have a picture of him, it would be perfect, but if you don't, you can use a piece of paper to write down his name. You can also use rose petals, while rose petals always enhances the love spells. And a chili pepper for passion. First thing you're going to do, you're going to carve the name of a person on the candle. Do it with intention. Do it by visualizing him and you together. Now, when you write your name, sprinkle it. Sprinkle the candle with your perfume 3 times, and then you will add some cinnamon on it. Use your finger. And now the candle is done. Now you are going to write his name on a piece of paper. Even better if you have a picture, it will be perfect. When we are ready, let's prepare the space. Clear it. You can clear the space with Palo Santo or a burning cinnamon stick or sage 3 times clockwise, and the magic can begin. On a plate, we're going to put a piece of paper. Then we're going to use some rose petals to enhance your romance spell. We will also use chili pepper for passion. Additionally, you can add basil for love that stays strong. Now make your circle where you will put your candle. Dominant hand 3 times clockwise. Set your prepared candle the middle. Now light up the candle and let it burn all through the end. As the candle burns, you can visualize yourself and that person together, happy, sharing beautiful moments. For more content, subscribe to this channel as I post daily spells and rituals. Thank you for watching.